Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza ketchup. First, gather your ingredients. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Have a small saucepan and whisk ready. Now, combine all your ingredients in a small saucepan. Whisk them together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This slow simmer is key to developing a rich, deep taste. After simmering, taste your pizza ketchup and adjust the seasonings. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or even a dash more oregano to suit your preference. Once you're happy with the flavor, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the sauce cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial before storing it. Your homemade pizza ketchup is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect with pizza, of course, but also fantastic as a dipping sauce for fries, chicken tenders, or even on a burger. Store any unused portions in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer storage, you can freeze it for up to 3 months. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.